Chris. He is a shoe connoisseur, to say the least. He collects them. I work in them. But I want mine to look as good as his. So he came here, got a little tech trip, little O-tip that he's gonna share with us to make mine look at least close to fresh as his. So what do you got for me, my man?
So with the oils, a lot of times guys think like, oh, this is girly. There's
Right.
no use.
It's just for smell.
Yeah, like what am I gonna do with them? And that's why we're here. We're gonna talk about
Here.
all the stuff that guys can do. And one thing that was really important to me my whole entire life was sneakers, keeping them clean, keeping them fresh, collecting them. So I'm going to go over a little bit my routine as far as keeping the sneakers clean. Specifically, the bottom part, like the midsole here, and the bottom itself. I know, I'm crazy. I clean the actual bottom of my sneakers. So what I do is I take lemon, which is awesome for cleaning, removing adhesives, anything throughout the house that you got. Drops of lemon, amazing. So we're gonna do a little before and after here to show you just exactly what this does. Also have the Thieves dish soap. Don't tell your wife you're using it.
Or your mom if you live in your basement.
Yep. So this stuff is great just to kind of get the, I don't know, the cleansing effect.
Right, like the lube.
Right, the lube. A lot of people look for the
Not like weird lube,
aspects, and
right.
you don't always see it with Young Living
For
products because it's all natural stuff. They're not going to put things in there
To like make it foam.
just to make it
Yeah,
look
for
like
sure.
it's actually doing something. But this stuff, I can assure you, is doing something. So just put a little bit on there. We got a
little brush.
little brush here. You can run it under some water, and you just scrub, and right away you see that huge difference.
A little elbow grease, a lot of elbow grease. Little, but not a lot.
Depending on the areas.
For sure.
You know, if it's worked pretty hard, you might have to put a little extra on there, but you know, that's just real quick. Give it a wipe, or you can even run it under some water.
Boom.
Look at that difference.
That was pretty simple. That didn't take long at all.
Not at all. Yep.
There you have it, my friends. If you need your shoes cleaned, you can throw them in the washer. You can pressure wash them. Or you can just scrub them with the Thieves. Mom, the dish soap! Go get their dish soap. Use that lemon, which comes in the starter kit. You're good to go. Get your shoes fresh.